Hey people, okay, so as you know, me already, most of you, Nessa aka Spirit Flow Free. I'm gonna be doing nature life, little journals, video journals, whatever you want to call them. And yeah, this is the start of one, so yeah, I hope you enjoy. This is basically me. This is all me. Just being myself, trying to share my journey and growth with you guys. The good, the bad, all mixed in one. And yeah, like this is all a part of the nature life short film. So this is like the raw version of me, you know, feeding you guys nature life. Nessa's video journals. Now I hope you enjoy, and yeah. Yeah, so alright, I'm coming back. Hello guys, I hope you're well. Welcome to my video journal, Nature Life. I am Nessa, I go by the name of Spirit Flow 3, and I'm giving you the insight of me. Pow! Me and my cat Shaft. Isn't it Shaft? Anyways, going off track. Yeah, so basically this is going to be a video journal on nature life. When I say nature, I don't just mean outside or, you know, living in the forest or trying to heal myself in the forest. When I use the term, or should I say word, nature, I'm talking about earth in general. Because if you think about it, if you took away all the houses and the concretes, you'll just be left with nature. So even if you're in a house, you're in any type of building, you're like underneath the tunnel somewhere on the underground, you are still in nature, because otherwise you wouldn't be breathing. So that is what I mean when I say nature. And life is just the lifestyle that you're living. And yeah, so this is my lifestyle. I'm trying to show you my journey. Whilst I'm doing that, I'm learning a lot of things as well, and I'm trying to help others to learn from this too. Now I would like to give you raw footage of my life, because I feel that that's the only way you'll truly ever get to know me or what I'm actually trying to accomplish. When I say nature life short film, I'm not just talking about, you know, healing myself in the forest. It's not just about me, it's also about humanity. And us as a people should try and use this opportunity now in this age to use the resources that we have to make ourselves better than we already are. We should use the resources to heal ourselves, be productive, help each other, unite. The list goes on. You know, you gotta burn some sage to get rid of all that negativity that's surrounding you. Because I don't have a lighter, I have to use my stove. Bear with me, but you get the drift. No, it's not a zoo. It's not a zoo. I do not smoke, or maybe I do. Who knows? But no, this is sage. This is sage. It's basically like nature life shines so bright. Nature life shines so bright. Show your light. And if you really want to know, actually, if it's definitely not a zoot, then look. You see the stick? You see? A sage. You see that? Can you see that? It's a sage incense stick. Alright. Get that. Gosh, this is taking a while to smoke up, isn't it? It smells nice. You guys should buy some sage. Burn away all that negative energy. All of it, go. Burn away all the negative energy. And people, we are entering into nature life. So what do we have in the pot today? Let's see. First of all, let's get this incense, this sage thing off the stove. This is what I'm talking about. Hi Shaft. Look. Look. You're not even moving, are you? The smoke doesn't bother you? A little bit. Alright, okay. Yes, we have the stars and we have the crescent. And yeah. Okay, so because we're entering nature life, let's see what we have in the pot today. Okay. Warning. 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 You may not like this at all, but I don't care. You may not even eat this, but I don't care. I'm still sharing it with you. Don't judge me, people. Okay, so what do we have in here today? We have lentil soup with a bit of quinoa seeds. Seasonings, we have cayenne pepper. We have cayenne pepper, turmeric, Himalayan salt, a bit of black pepper. We have for veg, we have kale, cabbage, celery, and this friendly little friend here. Where was it? Stop running away. I'm trying to show you to the world. And then we have this beetroot. Yum. Beetroot, yeah. And yes, if you're cooking lentil soup like this with all these ingredients, you have to put, well, you don't have to, but I boil it out at first before I put the veg in, and I put a bit of coconut cream. I'll show you the one that I get, just in case. Don't look in my fridge, don't look like that. No, that. This one. I put a tiny bit of that, or you can put more to make it creamy. I also put a tiny bit of this as well. And before you put the veg in, make sure you boil out the lentils and everything, and then you add the seasoning, then you can add the veg, and trust me, this is nature life food. So yeah, there we have it. Am I missing anything out? I don't believe I am. Yeah, so yeah. Oh no, I am missing out something. Garlic. I did put garlic in it, lots of garlic, and a bit of lemon as well. And there we have it. Nature life food. You get me, blood? Ooh, where did that vocabulary come from? You get me, peeps? There we have it. I know. Nice. Okay, so a peaceful way to become one with yourself and nature. No, I'm not going to say meditation. That is one of them. But for all you people who go to yoga classes or gym, wherever you go to do relaxation classes, if you have internet at home, I would suggest that you do it at home, because you'll then be able to be more at peace with yourself, more at one with you, and it's good. It's really nice, you know, doing yoga at home. You can find so many YouTube videos online. Don't rely on the classes to motivate you in doing yoga. So yeah. You look, I have a YouTube page up. So maybe like in the mornings, if you wanna start off your day like calmly, just type into YouTube, if you're a beginner, yoga for beginners, and look how many videos there are. There are so many videos. And if I just scroll down, here, you can see how many videos there are. All you need to get is a mat, exercising mat. I'll show you something like this. Ah, my feet, it's in the way. Just an exercising mat, a normal one. You can get it from Argos, you can get it from eBay online, and yeah, you just do yoga at home, and you'll find that you'll just start to feel so much more at peace. There won't be a lot of different energies around. So yeah, I hope that helps. Peace. This is nature life. It shines so bright. We're living in nature life. We shine so bright. Let them watch you, because they can't stop you. You go, girl, you go, boy. All you do is push through, even when they try and stop you. Because they know that you're a warrior, and you stand firm. You stand firm. Forget about those worms, and just stand firm. 'Cause we're living in nature life. Spread your wings, shine bright. Said you're living in nature life. Just spread your wings and shine bright. And you know, those people who don't have your best interest at heart will always show their true colours. And all all you can do is smile and say goodbye, child. I'll see you in another lifetime. Maybe not the next one, but maybe after the next one you will fix up, son, girl. Because ain't no negative spirit or energies entering into the next world. Cause this is nature life. We shining bright in nature light. We shining bright.